I was pleased to acquire a couple generous bunches of jungle val. I had a swap meet about a month ago. Had a swap meet in Indianapolis for $5 a bunch, and I learned that the species won't tolerate a full 2 days in alum solution, so although I did put it in alum solution, I gradually removed the plants the same day, examining each leaf for pest snails and removing every leaf that had pest snail eggs attached before adding them to this tank. It makes a very good background plant as it grows so tall. However, it does exude allelochemicals detrimental to other species, and so since adding it to the tank, several of my plants have deteriorated, and I decided to remove them to other tanks where those chemicals won't be present. In particular, jungle moss doesn't seem to tolerate those allelochemicals, so I've removed it. And also rendifolia and another stem plant that I am unable to identify. I removed all those plants, and now I have quite a large substrate bare of foliage, but I kind of like the look of it. The crypts are doing fine. They have pink flamingo and Cryptocoryne wendtii there in the center, and various Amazon swords. They don't seem to mind those chemicals. Here on the left side of the tank, you can see that water wisteria does just fine in the presence of jungle Vallisneria. Pogostemon stellatus does not seem to be doing all that great, but it's still quite bushy in this stand of plants here. But Hygrophila corymbosa cherry leaf variant does seem to suffer in the presence of jungle Vallisneria, and so I'm going to remove the plants in the foreground as well, as they just don't tolerate the presence of jungle val very well. I am pleased to find that this green water lily doesn't seem to mind jungle val. It's doing just fine. I have it behind the hardscape as it will grow very tall, and gradually I hope to prune it and propagate it to fill in the bare areas in the tank.